Hopefully no cars come my direction. But I wanted to show you guys a little video. This is the trail that me and my dad go on a lot. Like a lot. And if I can get down here to the stream, I can show you guys. So this is the new bridge that was built because they had a really bad tornado. And the bridge, the old bridge, is down here. And if I can get down here, hold my phone. Okay. Just making sure there's no bees. But you guys see on that side, if you guys see on that side, that's the old part of the bridge. And then right there is the other side. But this is really cool. And up there, up in that general area is where I go swimming a lot. There are no snakes, so you don't have to worry about that. But there are frogs, massive frogs. I'll do a little video of that. This is the other way, other side of the bridge. How dirty it is. But yeah, right down there is like where the old bridge used to be. It collapsed, I think in the 1900s, somewhere in the 1900s. It collapsed. A tornado came through here and took the cement out and actually busted it. If you guys can tell, over there is half of the bridge. Underneath of all there is the bridge, but right in this general area, the tornado came through and literally cracked the middle of it. So they put this one up, and this one's a lot sturdier and a lot heavier too. So this is pretty cool over here. Me and my dad's trail, like I said before, starts over here. Starts right about right here. You come down a little ways. To watch out for the bush. But yeah, our trail is down here. And note to self, do not go by yourself on these trails. Just a FYI. But yeah, so where that tree is right there is where I go swimming. And if I could, I'm not going to, but if I could, I'd take you guys a little more down that way. But we have Billy in the car. And DNR comes here a lot of times to check on the trails. But the trail we go on is called Heart Attack Trail. And the reason that being is when you get on top of the trail, you're basically going like this on the trail for Heart Attack Trail. And if you look down, it's a 350 drop. We've had medvac helicopters down here. We've had DNR a couple times. We've had ambulances. There was actually a guy that was on Heart Attack Trail and he was riding along, and you can't really see, like, for instance, this right here is an underground route, and his back tire hit it and got stuck. And when it got stuck, it threw him 150 feet down the hill. But the hill was actually a 350 drop, so he was lucky. He only had a broken arm and a broken leg, and my dad is honking at me. So yeah, that's the trails we go on. And a lot of stupid people can't read signs.